BG here from Sliced Bread. As some of you know, I'm really into making stuff with solar wood flowers. And I buy my stuff from some ladies from Oh You're Lovely. Stephanie and Maggie have brought out paper flowers now too. So they've just got them out, and this is my first order of them, and I'm super duper excited. I haven't seen them in person yet, and I thought you guys might want to see them too. Okay, here we go. Unboxing or something. I guess it kind of feels like Christmas, but I'm supposed to wait for Christmas because, like, you know, pumpkins first, as some people say. So I've ordered a selection of the new ones that they got in, and it looks like there's a magical thing on the top here also. Some beautiful soul flowers. Thank you, girls. Alright, these guys are made out of solar wood. These ladies, not Maggie and Stephanie, but they know some ladies that shave this stuff down and make it into a sheet, and then they cut out little petals and they put it all together. So I'm going to pop those guys down. I've been painting them and making different projects with them. But here we go, some paper flowers. We've got, of course, they're squished in a little bit. We've got some hydrangeas, little green hydrangeas. We've got blue hydrangeas. It's really hard to not smell them because flowers smell, and then there's like, you expect them to be, oh my god. There's little paper orchids. So these guys are made out of paper. They're already painted, so they're just going to be sort of reshaped, and then there'll be like a feature flower in with my other solo projects. Big ones too. Okay, so there was one in here that I was like really kind of freaking out online. It's not this one, but oh my god, you guys, these pictures are beautiful. And they're pretty pliable. You can really kind of like shape them up. I just sort of fluff them up. Of course, they've all come in the box. I don't know if you guys can see these. I'll try to not flap it around too much. Oh my god. Little anemones. I smelled it. I didn't, you know, it's like silly. Oh, and they've Lily of the Valley. Weirdly, we have these growing in our garden, and they're like one of the first flowers that come up in the year. I think that was my like group name for brownies. This Bobbie. Some sort of fall arrangement, that is gonna be an amazing feature flower. Oh, it's a pretty soft roses. More roses. Nice mauve color, as everybody says. I always grew up calling it mauve, so I'm not really sure what the deal is. Talking pretty fast because mocha. Mocha. A little shout out to Becca's Beans there. And yeah, the girls at the co-op for hooking me up with some whipped cream and delicious breakfast sandwiches this morning. Okay, like that one for serious, we'll get that in with some like whiteys, and people will make all those sounds when they see them. More roses. And pink anemone. Stephanie, pink anemone, is this for you? Was this your pick? I think it might have been. Okay, just gonna fly through these. There's a beautiful flower. I don't know what that is. Maybe a type of rose. Another one. Gimme! Jason's saying don't panic. He's saying don't go crazy. But I had a lot of mocha, so. This one is like, I don't even know what kind of color that is. It's like a soft purple. Milo, can you get... See, he smells them too. They're that real looking. And...
You can show them off right in front of your things. Or...
Move this up further so that people can see them better?
Yeah.
Is that what you said, Director? So this was the one that I was getting all jacked up online about. There are so many layers. It is so beautiful. I think they called it a ruffled something. I don't know. Not remembering. But those colors, oh, inspirational for paint jobs too. This is so wonderful. And a big white poppy. They're a little bit wired in there, so you can kind of reshape the petals. Okay, so poppies, peony, probably. Sort of looks like a peony. The bird says, yeah, he's seen a lot of. Is that what you think, Van Gogh? Yeah. Okay. He's a bit of a flower expert now. Coming here. The rose, the single rose. These are awesome. So these are, I only have one of each right now, but I can order more, I think. I'm pretty sure that's the whole thing. Stephanie Lynn. Yeah. That one's incredible. And a white version. Oh my god. Yeah. Probably, I would guess, a peony. But these are just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And, oh. Do you want to just write home about this one? I know. It's super exciting. This one's pretty great too. They're going to be nice feature flowers. So my plan is to use them with some other solo flowers that I already have. Some I'll paint up, mix in with some greenery, and I'll make some more creations. This is another peony. It looks really cool all closed, but I like that you can kind of fluff them back up. And these guys I don't have to paint, but it'll be fun to make. Make a whole color scheme to go with them. Ooh, dahlia. I think that's a dahlia. I don't know. It's pretty cute though. I like the colors.
Gives you a nice jumping off point.
It does, really, yeah. And a nice feature flower. Like they're like, ooh, asters, I think these are called. See, these were really common in like when you go to the grocery store and you get like a bouquet and they've always got like a stem of these guys in there. And yeah, they're really cool. They're not really like a lily. See, these ones are kind of squished down because I ordered a lot. But they have little wires on the back. I don't know if anybody can see those, but they can just be sort of shaped back a little bit and flattened out because I couldn't just pick two flowers. So there's these beauties, and then this little guy was in the bottom, but we can open them back up, and we had a bunch of these guys on the deck this year. They actually grew really well because they got full sun. And I have a really fun story about my friend Lisa, Jason's cousin. See these little things on the inside there? Stamens or whatever they are. She was all excited, went into Walmart one morning and found these flowers, and she was like, oh my god, these are beautiful. Stuffed her nose in for a good sniff, walked up to the cashier, and the cashier asked her if she was okay. She was like, yeah, why? Goes out to her car. looks in the rearview mirror to back out of her parking spot, and her whole face was like rusty. It looked like she'd been punched in the nose.
Jaundice.
It was, yeah, it was that red color. Brown. Or brown. That red color. All over her adorable little face.
Oh, red, not yellow?
No, it was the red one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
So that's why the cashier thought that maybe she'd been punched in the face and it was dried on blood, but it wasn't. It was just the good stuff from inside a flower. Okay, that was my paper flower explosion. Thank you, ladies. I know you're lovely. These are super fun, and I can't wait to create with them. If you want to see more videos, check out Sliced Bread. Subscribe. It totally helps us. And like the videos. Share them if you want to. That's super awesome because then more people will watch them. Anyways, yeah, if you guys want to see more stuff, let me know. And why don't you tell me what your favorite flower was, or if it wasn't in there, what your favorite flower is. Yeah, saying I'm a lot because I'm not sure how to wrap it up. I guess I'm all done. And I had a lot of mocha, and oh my god, Stephanie, if you're watching this, I was like super stoked that we both have giant mugs with gold trim. Mine is a Summerland BC one. I got that in the Okanagan like 20 years ago when I was in hairdressing school at a thrift store, and I have glued the handle on I don't even know how many times, but Gorilla Glue, hey, if you want to sponsor me, I'm up for it. Okay, Sliced Bread, BG from the Paper Flower Patch. Love you guys. Talk to you next time.